Dear student, we shall read about the lesson Pupil as Resource. This lesson is related to economics, and this video is part third of this lesson. We should start from the elementary and secondary education. The government has initiated many schemes for elementary and secondary education. Some as are follows. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, National Program for Education of Girls and Elementary Level, is an important of SSC. It provides additional support by way of girl child friendly schools, stationery, uniforms for the girls' education in educationally backward blocks. This is the secondary and elementary education. Midday meal scheme. Literacy rates in India have risen sharply from 18.3% in 1951 to 74% in 2011. Examination reforms. Important decisions taken by reforming and educational and examination system as are follows. 10th, 9th, 11th, 12th or CCE will be applicable to class 9th students from the session 2009 to 10. During the last 65 years, there has been an increase in number of colleges, universities, enrollment of students and recruitment of teachers, which can be seen in following tables. 50 to 51, 750 colleges, 98 to 99, 11,089 colleges, 11 and 12, 31,324 colleges, and 2012 to 13, 37, 204. And there are total teachers 18 lakhs, and there are total teachers 4 lakh 92,000. Literacy rate in India nowadays in 16.68%. This can be understood by the table you have seen in your book. Literacy of adults in world aged 15 and above, male 29 and female 53 in India. Women's education. The importance of women's education cannot be overemphasized. Woman-centered society will also be a mother-centered society. Mother playing a crucial and primary role in preparation of children for life and education. Women yield spin of benefits in several aspects: child care, nutrition, delayed marriage, low fertility rates, enhancement of a family income level through their own employment, as well participation of children in education. As per the 2010 Human Developed Report released by the United Nations Development Program on November 4, 2010 on the education front at secondary and higher level too, the SSA had positive outcomes for girl child education, leading to an increase in gender participation index GPI in primary 0.94 as well as upper prime 4.92 education. Note attendance rate in rural and urban areas. You can see in your book this table. The National Literacy Mission or Sakshar Bharat targeted female literacy as a critical instrument of women's empowerment. This has led to an increase in literacy amongst women from 53.67% to 65.46%. For the first time out of the total 217 million literates added during the decade, women outnumbered men. Rate of health in human resources development. Health means a sound physical and mental state of the individual, a person's ability to work, depends largely on his health. Good health increases the quality of life. Improvement of health of population is an important element of human resources development. India selected health indicators. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Sample Registration Survey SRSRGI averaged live table 2000 to 2006 RGI. Strengthening primary health infrastructure and improving service society. Present status of human health profile. In India, the life expectancy at birth for female has increased from 44.7 years in 1971 to 67.7 years in 2010. For boys, about 2 per 1000 mmR of 408, which translates to one maternal death in every 200 pregnancies, paints a dismal pictures of maternal health care. Sex ratio 2011, you can help in Europe by the map of India. Housing is another element of social infrastructure. Good housing means good quality of life. Living in slums or living without shelter in a curse which not only affects our body but also the mind. The National Housing and Habitat Policy was formulated to address the issues of sustainable development of housing infrastructures. Unemployment. What is employment? It is a situation in which able-bodied persons who are willing to work at existing wage rate don't get work. It is also called involuntary unemployment. Unemployment, economic, social, and political problem. This is certified by the government of India, and this rate of rural and urban separately, males and females is separately. This was the lesson of for you. You can study by the book. With the help of book, you should study. Thank you very much.